or not? Check for 10 odd natural numbers starting from 1 is given or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So second subdivision, if you check 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus
100, ma'am.
13
100.
plus
Answer is 100, ma'am.
15 plus 17 plus 19. So how many numbers are there? How many odd natural numbers starting from 1? 1, 2,
10,
3,
ma'am.
4, 5,
10,
10.
ma'am.
6, 7, 8. So
10.
the formula
10,
is
ma'am.
square. Sum of first 10 odd
10 square equal to 100.
10 square, which is 10 tens are
100. 100.
100. So adding one by one, easily you got the answer. So this is applicable only for the first n odd natural numbers. N means how many numbers are there that you have to count. Okay, 10 numbers, 10 odd natural numbers in order, or 11 odd natural numbers in order. Third subdivision, how many numbers are there? After 19, 21
12,
and
ma'am.
22.
12, ma'am.
12,
12.
ma'am.
12
12
numbers,
into
ma'am.
12, 144, ma'am.
Ma'am, 144.
Ma'am, 144, ma'am. Answer.
144, ma'am.
24 or 144?
Ma'am,
144.
144, ma'am.
Because
Answer
somebody will multiply.
144.
Somebody will multiply 2 and 12. 12 twos are 24, they will write. That is wrong. Okay. 12 square means 12 twelves are. 12 twelves are what? 144. So here first 12 odd natural numbers are given. So sum
Ma'am?
of first 12 odd natural numbers. Yes.
Ma'am, Sivaraman is clicking the allow button, ma'am, but he can't able to join, ma'am. You have to only allow, ma'am.
Joined pa. He joined pa.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay pa. Thank you. So now
Thank
144.
you, ma'am.
Sum of first 12 odd natural numbers is 12 square, which is 140. Question number 7. Any doubt? Children, any doubt in question 7? Shall I move on to next?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No doubt.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No doubt, ma'am.
What is the formula for sum of first n odd natural
Yes,
number?
ma'am. No doubt, ma'am.
Sum of first n odd natural number, what is the formula?
Ma'am, n square.
N square.
Square.
N square, ma'am.
Very good. N square is the formula for sum of first n odd natural number. N means you have to count how many odd natural numbers are given in the question. Instead of n, you should apply that value and you have to square it. So when you square 12 square, 12 12s are 144. This is the answer for third sum. Okay, now express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. So 7 odd numbers, what are the
And it is opposite of 7 only, ma'am. It is opposite of 7th question.
question number 8 is the transpose of question number 7. That's all. So 49.
Ma'am, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13, ma'am.
Wait, those who know, please keep quiet, pa. So that if you, Saravanan charge is low. If you know the answer, you can type the answer. Okay, I'll be checking the message also. Sivaganesh is very enthusiastic to give the answer. Very nice. Okay. So 49, 49 is nothing but what is 7 square. All are perfect squares. Can you check 49, 25, 100, 144? These are all perfect square numbers only. So 49 is 7 square. That means we have to write the 7 odd natural numbers. What are the 7 odd natural numbers? First 7 odd natural numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. You should not stop up to 7. Okay, 7 means you should not stop up to 7. 7 odd natural numbers you should write. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then what? 11. How many numbers we wrote? 1, 2, 3.
11 plus 13. 13.
Plus what? Yeah, up to 13 you should write. Okay, any doubt?
Yes,
Any doubt
ma'am.
in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Easy,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Very easy, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What is 121? 121, which is square?
Ma'am, 11 square.
11 square.
11
11
11s
square.
are 121. Express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. So 11 odd
Ma'am,
numbers you
shall
please
I?
write.
Ma'am, shall I?
Ma'am, ma'am.
Say.
Ma'am, Ma'am, 1 plus 3
Say,
plus
anybody
5
say?
plus 7. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21, ma'am.
That's all. Very good. So we got up to 21. So when you add all these odd natural numbers, we will be getting what number?
121.
20. Okay. How will you express 100?
Ma'am, 10 squared, ma'am.
100.
10 squared.
Ah.
1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17, ma'am.
Only up to 17.
Ma'am, not ma'am, 19, ma'am. Up to 19.
Yes. Up to 19. Okay, very good. Very good. Madhavarni, Sivaganesh, everybody send the messages and it. So, okay. Now we are moving on to question number 9. How many numbers lie between the squares of the following numbers? So to find this, again we have a formula. So in between 12 and 13, question number 9, first subdivision, 12 and 13. Okay. So how many numbers lie between the squares? So between the squares of these two, 12 square and 13 square, between these, how many numbers are lying? So for this, there is a formula. You have to assume the first number as n. So n is equal to what? 12. And there is a
12.
formula to find out the numbers lying between the squares of these two is 2n. The formula is what? 2n. So 2n means here n is 12. 2 12s are how many? 24.
24.
So
4.
there are 24 numbers lying between 12 square and 13 square. So in between the squares of 12 and 13, 12 square is 144 and 13 square is 169. In between these two, how many numbers lie? 24 numbers
24
are
numbers.
lying. Okay, 24 numbers are lying in between. If you want to count, you will be getting it correctly. So 24 numbers lie between the squares of the numbers 12 and 13. Okay, any doubt? So what is the formula? Formula is what? 2n.
Ma'am, 2n. Ma'am, 2n.
First number you have to assume it as n. First number is n. Okay. They have given two numbers in which first number is n. The formula is 2n. So how many numbers lie between the squares of 25 and 26? 25 square and 26 square. In
50.
between, how many numbers?
50, ma'am. And 2
n
into 25 equal to 50.
Hmm.
N equal to 25, ma'am. 2 into 25 equal to 50, ma'am.
25 and 26. In between the squares of 25 and 26 square, first n is equal to, you should assume the first number as
25
as n. 2n is equal
2n.
to 25.
2 into 25 equal to 50, ma'am.
So 50 numbers lie between the squares of 25 and 20. Okay, in these two 50 numbers are lying. Third one, who will give? Vaishali. Vaishali,
Shall
say
I?
the answer for third subdivision.
Ma'am,
Vaishali. Vaishali.
Ma'am?
Vaishali is there or not? Say the answer for this, ma. N is equal to. Vaishali, what happened? Yeah, say the answer.
Ma'am, I cannot
Others
understand
can
this sum, ma'am.
send the message. Somebody give the answer for this. Netra Marlin.
Shall I?
Ma'am,
I tell, ma'am.
Netra Marlin.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Netra Marlin, are you there? Yeah. Can you say the answer?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, explain. Please explain to Vaishali. If two numbers are given, first one you should consider as what?
Ma'am, n equal to 99, ma'am. 2n equal
First
to 99 into 2.
How much?
Equal to 198.
So in between 99 square and 100 square, how many numbers are lying?
198.
That's all. Listen, 99 and 100, in between 99 and 100, how many numbers are lying? That they were not asking. You should read the question properly. How many numbers lie between the squares? Squares of 99 and 100. So 99 square and 100 square. In between these two, how many numbers are lying? That we have to find out. For that first number, you have to assume it as n. N is equal to 99. So the formula is 2n. To find out how many natural numbers lying between the two square numbers, that is the formula. The formula is 2n. So 2 into 99 is nothing but, here n value 99. So 2 into 99 is 198. So 198 numbers lying between 99 square and 100 square. Vaishali, now you give the answer for next question. Vaishali, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to give the answer. 3 times I have explained. Now you should give the answer. In between 24 and 25 squares of these two. In between these two, how many natural numbers lie? Give the answer.
N is equal to 2.
Hmm.
24.
So 2n.
24 into 2, ma'am.
Hmm.
And 24, 20.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, 48.
What is the answer? So what is the answer? 48 natural number lie between the squares of 24 and 25. Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am. No,
Anybody have doubt? Anybody have doubt?
No, ma'am. Very easy, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ragapriya? Ragapriyan, why you called me, ma'am?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I tell the answer, and after I'm telling, ma'am, somebody wrote that answer, ma'am.
Okay, pa. Then anybody else have doubt? Shall I move on to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Saravanan, I'll be uploading. Listen, Saravanan, I'll be uploading this in the YouTube also, so that you can watch today's class. Okay, Saravanan. If your mobile have no charge, no, you can watch in the YouTube. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now we are moving on to the next one, finding the square of a number. Hereafter only very important concepts you are going to study. Finding the square of a number, square root of a number, Pythagorean triplet. This and all will come under exercise 6.2. Okay. Now, have you all watched today that video for the introduction of squares of a number, squares and square root? Introduction part.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Why?
ma'am.
Why you didn't watch?
Ma'am, my English class is ma'am, English class is there, ma'am.
also there, ma'am.
Okay. Whenever you find time during that time.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So you are taking 40 minutes for writing the test for single question.
No, ma'am.
Then
Only 10 minutes, ma'am.
then what you are doing in the remaining time? See, if I conduct test 20 minutes, you have to write test, and remaining 20 minutes, I'll send some animated videos regarding that chapter which I'm taking on that particular day. Okay? Please watch that for better understanding of the concept. Don't waste your time, children.
Yeah, ma'am.
If it is a max class, during that time, you please write. If it is a test, write a test. And after the test, don't waste your time. Please go through the videos which I'm sending you. That will be very interesting to see, to watch also. Okay. Now exercise 6.2. Question number 1, first subdivision. 32. So 32 square. Find the square of the following numbers. 32 square. So how will you do this 32 square? 32 into 32. There is one more method which is given in the book. 32 can be written as 30 plus 2. Okay, 32 can be written as 30 plus 2 because if we have 0 very easily we can multiply. So now 32 is 30 plus 2. So 32 square means 32 can be written as 30 plus 2. Here we have one square. So write that square as it is. Do you all know the formula for a plus b the whole square? What is the formula for a plus b the whole square? What is the formula for a plus b the whole square? Don't know.
Ma'am, a square plus b square.
No. Hereafter only you are going to study that formula. In algebraic identity in class 8, you will be learning that formula. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. If you don't know that formula, again one more method is available. See, 30 plus 2 the whole square means what is the meaning? 30 plus 2 into 30 plus 2. We have to write that to 2 times. Okay. We have to write that 2 times. Okay, children. Understood? 2 times we have to write 30
Yes,
plus 2
ma'am.
the whole square means write the 30
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
2 times. Okay, 2 times. Now what you should do? First you consider this 30. 30 should be multiplied with the second term of this is the expression. This expression contains 2 terms. One is 30, another one is 2. So this 30 should be multiplied with this 30 as well as this 2. So when you multiply 30 into 30, what happened? 3 3s are 9. How many zeros? Here 1 0, here 1 0. So write 2 zeros. Okay. 3 3s are 9. Here 1 0, here 1 0. So 30 into 30 is 900. Then 30 when you multiply by 2, what happened? 30 into 2.
60, ma'am.
3 2s are
60.
3 2s are
60.
1 0. Okay, so now one part got over. This 30 we have multiplied with both the terms of the second expression. Now we have to multiply this 2 with both the terms of the second expression. So 2 into 30 is nothing but what? 60. Am I correct? 2 into 30 is 60. Then 2 2s are
4.
2 2s are 4. Now you add everything.
Ma'am,
Now you add
100,
everything.
1000 and ma'am, 1000 to 24, ma'am. 1024.
Very good. 1024. That will be the answer. 1024. 900 plus 60 plus 60 plus 4. 960 plus 64 is nothing but 1024. Okay. Let me explain one more sum. Then only you will be more clear. Okay. So let me explain one more sum. Suppose for example, let me do third subdivision. 86. 86 can be written as 80 plus 6. Am I correct? Now
80 plus 6.
square
Yes,
means
ma'am.
80 plus 6 the whole square. 80 plus 6 the whole square. So which is 80 plus 6 into 80 plus 6. So first we have to multiply this 80 with both the terms of the second expression. This is second expression and this is first expression. So you take one number from the first expression, multiply that with both the terms. This is one term and this is one term. Both the terms of the second expression. So what will happen actually, what we have to do, this 80 should be multiplied with 80 as well as 6. This term directly I have written. Then I have to multiply this 6 with both the terms 80 plus 6. Okay. First this 80 I have to multiply with 80 plus 6. Then this 6 I have to multiply with 80 plus 6. This is the concept. In the 80 எடுத்துட்டு இந்த இது ஃபுல்லா இங்க எழுதிக்கணும். அப்புறம் இந்த 6 இங்க நடுவுல பிளஸ் போட்டு இங்க பிளஸ் இருக்கா பிளஸ் போட்டுக்கோங்க. இந்த 6 இங்க எழுதிட்டு again you have to write this 80 plus 6. Okay. Now what happened? 8 8s are 64.
Ma'am, 64, ma'am. Ma'am, 6,400. 6,400.
Then 8 6 are 48. Then how many zeros are there?
Ma'am, 480. 480,
ma'am.
Similarly, 6
Again
into
480,
80
ma'am.
is what?
Again
6 8 are 48. 48 1 0 so 480. Then 6 6 are
36, ma'am.
36.
somebody add this and give the answer. 6,400 plus 480 plus 480 plus 36.
Ma'am, 7,396,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 7,396, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No,
Any
ma'am.
doubt? No doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
No doubt, ma'am. Very easy, ma'am.
Okay. Then you say somebody should give the answer. Sarvadana.
Ma'am.
Sarvad,
Yes, ma'am.
can you give the answer for third subdivision? 93 square. 93, how can you write it?
90 plus 3, ma'am.
Very good. Uh, now, then how will you
93,
write this?
93 equal to 90 plus 3 into 90 plus 3, ma'am.
Now this 90 we have to multiply with both the terms of the second expression. Okay. Then what?
Ma'am, 90 into 90.
90 into 90 plus 3, then 3 into 90 plus 3. First this 90 we have to multiply with both the terms. Then this 3 we have to multiply with both the terms of 90 plus 3. Okay. Now you multiply and give the answer. 9 9s are
8,400, ma'am.
84. 9 9s are 81. How many zeros? 2 zeros. So
Yes, ma'am.
8100. Then 9 3s are
9 3s are 27, ma'am.
1
27.
0 we have here, so 1 220.
Ma'am,
Taking too much time.
ma'am, I cannot hear,
You
ma'am.
have to prepare tables.
Ma'am.
You no need to hear, you can give the answer. You no need to hear me at all while you are giving the answer. You are giving the answer, then you should give the answer. 3 3s are 9. Add everything and give the answer. Add everything. Siva Ganesh, 8649. Good.
8,469, ma'am.
Wrong answer. 8649. You are weak in tables, I think so. Please prepare table, Sarvadana. 8649. Children, any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Those who have a doubt, please ask me.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Do you find difficult in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
யாருக்குல கஷ்டமா இருக்குது?
Ma'am, very, very easy, ma'am.
சரி இப்ப ஈஸியா உங்க சொல்லவா? ஈஸியா easy method, shall I say easy method?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the method which was given there in the book. Now I tell you the easy method. Okay va? Easy எப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிறது? Okay. So if we want to find out 71 square, you write it as 70 plus 1 the whole square. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? First இந்த 70 ல 7 இருக்கா நம்பர்? 7 ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணா என்ன வரும்? What you will get? 49. 10 when you square, you will be getting what? 20. Okay va? 10 when you square, you will be getting what? 20. This is the first number. Okay. Then second number, you know, this and this you should multiply. 70 into 1. What is 70 into 1?
70, ma'am.
70. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
70 into 1 is 70. என்ன கிடைக்குதோ that you should multiply by 2. Now 7 2s are what? 14. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
That you should multiply by 2. 7 2s are 14.
Yes, ma'am.
So you write here 140. Now you write here 140. Then here what number you have? 1. For third term, here what number you have? 1. 1 when you square, you will be getting 1 only. 1 when you square, you will be getting 1 only. Now add everything. When you add everything, what will you get?
5,041.
That's all. 5041. Very easily you got. One more time I will say the procedure. You see, for 46 square. 46 square can be written as 40 plus 6 the whole square. This is the easiest method. Okay. First, you should square this. 40. 4 square is 16. 2 0. 1 0 when you are squaring, you will be getting 2 zeros. Okay, wow. Now next second, for finding second term, what I told you, multiply this and this. 4 6 are 24. Am I correct? 4 6 are 24. Here you are having 1 0. Whatever answer you are getting, that you 2 into 0, 0, 2, 4 are 8, 2, 2 are 4. That you write here. Then for finding third term, you square this 6 square is nothing but what? 36. When you add everything, what will you get?
Ma'am, 2116, ma'am. 2116, ma'am.
2116. If you don't know to add like this, you can write in column wise and you can add. Okay. That is not a matter. 6 இப்படி add பண்ணலாம். 6 plus 0, 6. Then 6 plus 0, 6 only. Then 3 plus 8, 11. So 11 plus 0, 11, 1 carry over. Then here, no 3-digit number. Then this 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 carry over 1 number. Here and all, no 4-digit number. Only this is available. 1 plus 1 is 2. So like this also you can add. Mind calculation you can do. But after doing mind calculation, you verify in the rough work whether you have done correctly or not. Okay, children. Any doubt?
Oh, ma'am.
Whichever method is easy for you, that method you can follow. See, for the first sum, let me say this. Let us see this method. 30 plus 2. 3 when we square 9. 1 0 when we square 2 0. Okay. Then third term easily we can get 2 square is 4. Okay. Third term also let me write. The center term. For finding the center term, 30 into 2 is what? 60. Again 60 we have to multiply by 2. How much? 6 2s are 12. 120. So you will be getting 120. 900 plus 120 plus 4, which is nothing but 1024. This is the answer. Easily you will be getting the answer. Any doubt?
Oh, ma'am.
Who will
No,
find the
ma'am.
answer for 35 square? 35, somebody find 35 square.
Ma'am, 35 equal to 30 plus 5, ma'am.
Then
Ma'am, 70.
Ma'am,
70, what?
35 equal to... Ma'am, 35 equal to 30 plus 5, ma'am. So, first we have to write that... Ma'am, first we have to write 30 plus 5 into 35. Ma'am, 30 plus 5 into 30 plus 5, ma'am. Ma'am, then we
Can
have
you
to
say the
multiply that 30 year and 5 year, ma'am. So totally 30 into 30 equal to 900 and 5 into 30 equal to 150, ma'am. And the year also 5 into 30 is 150, ma'am. And 5 5s are 25, ma'am. So totally we add means we will get the answer 1225, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Somebody can you say the second method which I have explained now? Second method. Who knows second method? Second method. Just now I thought you know. Second method, who will explain?
Shall I?
Yes.
Ma'am, first we have to write that. Ma'am, first we have to write 30 plus 5 square, ma'am. 30 plus 5 square. And if we square 30 means
What?
we...
3 square is 9, 0 square is 2 zeros. First we have to square this term, then you square this term. 5 square is 25. To find the center term, multiply this and this. Okay. And one.
Ma'am, and
That answer. So first you have to square this, then square this to find the center number, multiply this and this. With that answer you multiply by 2. You will be getting an answer. Add all, you will be getting a term. Okay? Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. It's not clear. I don't have proper network connection. That's why my voice is not clear to I think so. Okay, so can you complete exercise 6.2 first sum?
Yes, ma'am.
There are six sums in 6 subdivisions in first sum. First 3 subdivisions you do in classwork side, and the remaining 3 subdivision you do in homework side. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Are you having the answers for exercise 6.2? Are you having the answers for 6.2? Are you having the answers? Or I have to send it to you?
No need, ma'am. Very easy, ma'am.
Already I sent the
Whole chapter, ma'am.
chapter 6 with
Yes,
point
ma'am.
1
Whole
exercise.
chapter.
Whole chapter. Yes, whole chapter is with you. In that you can verify the answers which you have written. No, with that you can verify with the answers which I have sent you in a link. I have sent you a link. In that whole chapter is available. You do by your own method and you just check it whether you have done correctly or not. Only answers you can verify. No need to verify the steps and all, because you can follow any method for finding the square. Okay, children. Thank you.
Thank you,
Only
ma'am.
27 students are there.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.